why should you hire us? There are a lot of attorneys out there who have a much more business-oriented approach to the practice of law than we do. And so I was mentioning earlier that you're going to sit down with an attorney when you come into our office. That's not true with many of our competitors in this area. For me, frankly, it's the right thing to do, but frankly, it's also easier for me if I've met the person and I've heard what this did to them. In more serious injury cases, you are going to need a doctor to be an advocate for how badly you have been injured and what it means for you, what it has meant for you up to that point, from the car accident to whenever you're trying to get your case resolved, but just as importantly, what it's going to mean to you for the rest of your life. And that can be a real challenge. And the best way to get the case resolved without protracted litigation is to go ahead and get that report as soon as possible from the doctor. And so there's a lot of work that goes into securing the testimony we need from a doctor. But once we get it, that tells the insurance company that we are ready for trial. So that's a big part of what we do. We are always thinking at every phase of a case, okay, are we gonna need a doctor? If so, who? If so, when do we reach out to them? It's a key part of what we do. So we have a more client-oriented approach than I think you'll find in many other firms. When you call, you're going to talk to a real person. That real person is going to get you to the attorney. We have paralegals that are providing some very important support in every case. But generally speaking, when a client calls, it's the attorney that's going to be talking to them.